Good day everyone, and this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks DIY. And today I will give you an update on my Sharesies portfolio. So this is my 5th month on Sharesies investment. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me in my journey on stock investment. Although I'm not an expert on stock investment, I'm just a newbie or just on my learning stage. And if you want to join Sharesies, I have included the link below in the video description box if you want to join it, and there's like a code that you can use, so you can have like a start up like $5 in your Sharesies wallet. At the same time, I will be receiving a referral commission from Sharesies. Okay, so I'll just show you now my portfolio. So after 5 months, so right now I have $7,584.97 in my portfolio, and $192.04 in my Sharesies wallet. Okay, so that is the accounting for 2% of the amount. So you can see here I have like a 2% lower risk mode and medium risk 3%, 93% higher risk. Higher risk is more of like a company's investment. Okay, so click on this one. So right now I have a $251.34 gain. So it's like a capital gains, which means like a $3.43% return. Then I'll show you the chart that I have experienced. So when I started on February, so this I keep on having like a climbing gain, but suddenly it fell until such time this is the lowest point, is negative $924.19. Then even though I can see here the dotted lines, these are the amount of money that I put into the portfolio, and the peach line is like the actual balance. Okay, so at this point I still invested a small amount, continue investing till such time today. So you can see the date here. It's now on positive side. It started going positive last 26th or 24th of June, then keeps on climbing up till positive 362, but now it's going down again slowly, but hopefully it will bounce up again. So now at positive 251.34. Okay, so I'll show you now my companies or the funds that I invested in. So I still, since the start, I have this Australian Top 20, Euro Fund, NZ Bond Fund, NZ Top 10, NZ Top 50, US 500, and US Large Group. What I like about these funds, they are giving dividends. For example, the Australian Top 20 your investment. I see here I have like on the $182 in my portfolio. I have like a $2.35 dividend. Okay. So originally I invested like 185, but I received $2.35 dividend. So now they recompute this one as a 182.65. Although I have a loss of negative like a $0.11 or 11 cents loss, but I still have like a $2.35 dividend. Okay, then I'll show you another, all the companies. So the funds, so like a Europe Fund, New Zealand Bond Fund, yeah. And about the companies, I have a lot of companies that I invested in. So I think this is around 36 companies. But based on what I learned or researched in the internet, the best diversification is around 30 companies. So right now I have around 36, so probably is to sell 6 companies later on. So the companies I have right now is A2 Milk, so it's still a positive 7. Then AFT pharmaceutical at plus 9.96%. Air New Zealand is still not doing good because still really less flight going on. Then the banking is also not good. ANZ. Auckland Airport is still at minus. At one stage I had it like a positive, but now it's going down again. Then Breeze Coast also minus. Then Chorus. For Chorus I used to have like a positive return here, but suddenly last week it fell tremendously. For example, you can see here. So from $7.70, then dropped to 7. Okay. So I hope it can bounce up, climb up again soon. Then I think the chorus is also affected by the energy sector, because I had some energy sectors here that also fell down, like Genesis. You can see here. You see here from 3.15 to 2.9. Then also I have like a Trust Power and Meridian. So Meridian, see at minus 0.17 right now. So you can see here. So from $5.26 dropped down to $4.69, then dropped down again to 4.5. So I hope we can bounce out this week. I think all energy sectors that fell last week. So Michael Hill, New Zealand, NZX, then Oceania. So I have different companies right now for my diversification. I don't settle for all similar industry. So they told in some tutorials that you can diversify by investing in different sectors. Then now PushPay, I have this like a plus 26, so it's really good. And also what else? In PushPay and SmartPay are doing good. Now I have a plus 56.6% SmartPay. Show you my investment. Right now I have $120, 41 gain. But I'll show you as the best stock I have. I think this is the Pitcher and Pico. I have the 29. Although the percentage for SmartPay is higher, but I only have the $333 here. But for the Pitcher and Pico, I have 1,000 here. I invested more on this one. That's why I have a better return, so $246.23. Okay, so if you look at the chart on the Pitcher and Pico, it still keeps on going up. So I always invest on this one. So probably when this stabilize, then I will put some money again. Then Michael Hill is in minus, and the Allenstein. So like for shops, retails are still not doing good at the moment. So a restaurant band is still at minus 5.88. Skedarup is doing good right now at 15. Sky City also minus. So basically, then Spark is 2.38. So you can see here, I like this part because it's giving a good dividend. So I can show you here. So for 302, I have like a 4.98, $4.98 dividend. But when I got this one, I think only $150 investment to receive this amount of dividend. So I like Spark for my like a dividend investing. Okay, and now I have like a capital gains of $7.02. You can see the chart here. I also experience a down here, but it keeps on rising until the stage I am on the positive side. Okay, Trust Power is still minus. Then Vital Healthcare like a stable, so just flat this point. Then Z is also not really doing good, so I think this is not really good investment because it keeps on going down. I purchased just one time, then right after I purchased the stock, then it just keeps on falling down, so I have no chance to sell it again, so just hold it for the time being. Okay, so these are just the update on my 5th month on my stock investment. As I told you before, I'm not an expert in this one. I'm just on the learning stage, and hopefully this one grows. And also what I noticed is my portfolio is not really fluctuating much, probably because of the diversification, even though I have a lot of negatives or losses in other companies, so I have like gains as well on some other companies. That's why you can see here it's still going up. Okay, again, please subscribe to my channel for more of this investment journey in Sharesies. So thank you for watching.